G'day guys and welcome back. I'm very excited because I have found a gem of an house out in the west of New South Wales. It looks pretty dilapidated and I'm getting excited to show you guys inside. Well, I don't know if I can get inside because it looks pretty bad, but let's have a look. I might be able to peek through some of the windows. So here it is. I think it was built in the late 1800s, early 1900s. I don't know, you tell me. Look at that. Just got to watch where I'm stepping here. Yeah, it's pretty far gone. Oh, look in here. It's an old wardrobe. Old wardrobe. Look at the clothing. The clothing's still, hang on, I'll turn my torch on. There's still clothing hanging up in there. Oh, look at the old furniture. There's an old doll, bedding. Wow. Oh my God, look at the ceiling. Look at the metal press ceiling. There's a lot of bits and pieces in here. A lot of bits and pieces. Like I said, I don't think I can walk in here due to all the stuff that's here, but there's a front door. And look at this. Whoa. I can't even walk in there. Look, there's an old exercise bike, a helmet, the old picture. Look at all the junk in here. Oh, look at that. Looks like an old encyclopedia. Yeah, I can't actually get in here. All right, let's keep looking. Oh, look at that. Copper pressed metal. Look at that old furniture there. See, the floorboards are pretty rotted. What's this? Looks like a room. There's an old fridge. It's an old fridge there. What's that say? Kelvinator. Kelvinator. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Let's see if we can get in somewhere else and have a look. What a find. What a great old house. Wow. I can't believe it's piled up with stuff, hey? So much stuff. What's that, an old washing machine? Whirlpool. Guess whose mum's got a whirlpool? Check it out. It's in a bad state. Oh, looks like that might have been the old kitchen there. Oh, gotta watch this stuff. I hope you guys can see in here. It's obviously the old kitchen, the old sink. Yeah, look at all the cutlery and bowls and watch where I'm walking. Oh, check out the dolls. Oh, look at that. Old dolls everywhere. I've never seen a place with so many dolls. Oh, oh, check it out. Look at this. Look at that fireplace. Wow. Wasp nest up there. This hasn't got metal press ceilings in this part. The old TV. Wow, there's so much stuff in here. I can see a magazine, 3rd of December 2002. More dolls. There's old kitchen appliances up in the back there. Geez, it'd be lovely to... That's a shame. What sort of TV is this? Oh. I can't see, guys. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. I can't actually see what brand it is. I'm stretching over the windowsill here. Nah, look, I can't get through there. You know what? I might be able to squeeze through here. Here we go. There we go. Kelvinator. They like their Kelvinator fridges. The old microwave. Look, they got jars. There's olives. Old soul machine. Look at that old fireplace. Oh, check it out. Just got to watch where I'm walking. You can see all this junk here. The old headphones. Wow, this section's really old, hey. You can just tell. Don't think I can get over to see that, what that fireplace is. No, I can't see. Oh, look, they pickled a lot of their food in jars over there. That looks like old air cons there. Another room, I can't get into there, obviously. Oh, jeez. Looks like people have walked through here at one stage. That old oven. Something's just moved in there, I don't know what that was. Sorry if I'm puffing and panting on camera, but I'm trying to work my way through this stuff. All right, let's go back outside. Looks like an old Chrysler key down there, from an old Chrysler. Yeah, it's a shame I can't walk through there properly. Oh, you gotta watch these nails. See that? Get that in your foot and you'll know it. Okay, what's in here? More dolls. That's a really old fireplace just behind all that bedding there. I don't know, I reckon this might be early, or sorry, late 1800s. You see the old door handles up there, you probably can't see it on the camera here. Next, look at that. The old spice rack. Is that what it is? Look. Maybe the old... Oh, that's a swallow. Yeah. I never really like to disturb anything when I'm looking at these old houses. Oh, look at that. The old rollers for your hair back in the day. Okay, what's in here? Heaps of old furniture. Metal press ceiling. There's an old typewriter there. See there, looks like an old typewriter. Wow. It's like they've just up and gone or passed away and just left everything here. Imagine the stuff you'd find digging around in here. See the old clothes? Look at that. What year would that clothes have been worn? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The old speaker. Command. Oh, it's a fan. Okay. Well, guys, I think that'll do for this one. Oh, that was very interesting. I really enjoy looking at these houses, and I know you guys do too. So, beer. Until the next house we find, I'll see you guys then.